there, Seth Gozo here. Today I'm going to meet Virginio Ferrari to assist him in dismantling this installation on the wall. It's circular balls installed on, well, as part of his exhibit in Bridgeport Art Center. Good morning. Good morning. I'm here.
So, good morning.
Good morning. So I saw the round things. Did you start removing the balls?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we go up now and we start gradually to take down the saw.
Okay. So this is the installation that we will be removing. They are all individually screwed on the wall. So it's a painstaking, very beautiful artwork that he created. So it's mesmerizing, it's very beautiful. It's all about cosmos. So you will be seeing me and Virginio Ferrari removing the installation, and I have it filmed in a fast forward. So we are halfway done, and we have to bring the balls downstairs. He's got a storage where he will put it back in a crate where he had them shipped from, I believe,
Upstairs.
from Italy.
Yeah,
These
we have
balls
our
are used
kiln.
by construction worker to build bridges, and he shared to me the story that he talked to the construction people and asked them what the balls are for, and then they shared that they use it to build and pour cement on bridges. And
Okay.
so he contacted the manufacturer and have them shipped in United States. So this is the crate where we have to put the balls back in. This is the way they ship these balls from, I believe, in Italy. So I have to climb up on that ladder and
you wanna
open
lift
the
this
lid.
thing here?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Oh yeah, it's heavy. Now hold on, let me try.
So we have to finish the remaining of the installation upstairs, and this will be the end of the removal of this installation. And there are a few things to bring down. One of his wooden spheres sculpture, and he's got an installation made of tubes also that we have to remove. So we finally removed the sphere. We got the bolt away from the base, and Emily, the owner of Wet Paint on the 4th floor, she saw us and assisted in lifting the sphere, and also she let us use one of her cart.
Mike, where am I thinking you go? I don't know if these pipes should stick into it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, what's like together? Excellent. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Cool. This thing goes up. Ah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you use that?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, for this.
So the next thing we do are to disassemble these tubes made of cardboard and some shredded papers on the floor. Some of them are bolted by nails, so we started by working on the loose ones, the one that's not nailed on the floor.
I see you have some bolted ones here.
Let's see. I think, yeah, we keep those separately along with the base.
Oh, okay.
Now I think what I do.
We brought the remaining of the balls in his studio because his crate is full, and now we're going to get the remaining of the tubes and also put them in his studio. So what's next? The tubes? Okay. So these tubes are bolted or nailed down on one piece on the floor. So we are leaving them for later because he needs someone to remove the nails, and also just to be careful nobody will walk around the area because the nails, some of the nails are sticking out.
The easy ones.
Okay.
Nails sticking.
Yeah, that's good. We go down with that.
Oh, okay. After this, I'm done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
I think this one will be.
Okay.
You may take it, you know.
We did a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Yeah, the hard ones.
Plenty.
At least the ball is hard.
Well,
That one is just heavy. You know, the big ones are. You
Yeah.
need 2 to 3 people.
yeah.
Yeah. You need the big guys to
Yeah, they
lift them.
Yeah.
So who will help you with that?
They will let me, yeah.
The building
Evening,
tomorrow,
Monday.
Monday. What time?
Oh, they, I don't know.
They'll just do it for you.
They wait for me, yeah.
Okay.
It's always, I don't know to come here. Good.
Hello. Sorry, we just go open the door. You okay? We have to put it up there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take the one.
No, one side.
go on one side.
Yeah. Please. Go behind.
You make it? You make it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, well, thank you. See you again.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's good exercise. I don't have to go to the gym today.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We're finished for
Thank
today.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.